Hello, my name is Jimmy Blevins, and today I'm going to walk you through adding the bar counter module in the Divi theme. I've got the Divi Visual Builder loaded up, and first thing I need to do is just click here on this little plus symbol to add a module. Today we're going to do the bar counters. Now, I really love these. These are great elements to kind of spice up a website, say on your About Us page if you're listing out your employees and the different skill sets that they might have. So just walk you through it really quick. We're going to add our first item. Every internet developer needs to be good at cat photography. I'll give myself a 98% on that. And let's add one more. Let's do taco making skills. I'm going to give myself a solid 82. So as you can see, this is the kind of default setting for the text and the sizes, and we can change any of this here in our bar counter settings. So first off, I can change the background color, and this is the background color that's underneath the bar. You can see right now it's a gray, so I'm going to make this bright yellow so it'll pop out a little bit better. You can see over here it's this background, so it kind of shows the negative space as opposed to the percentage. And let's say I want to match that a little bit better. I don't want to use the blue, I'll use my bright orange here, really make that pop. I can also turn on and off the percentages, and what that does is it leaves it as this a little bit thicker line with the percentage in it. If I turn that off, it turns it into a thinner line just showing the bar. So I'm going to leave that on for right now, and we're going to pop here into the design settings. So this top padding, I can add pixels to kind of make the bars a little bit taller. It'll place a padding on top of the percentage text. So I'll show you what I mean by this. I'm just going to put in 10 pixels. And there you can see there's a little bit of space above the text here. And if I want to match that on the bottom, 10 pixels on the bottom gives me a nice wide bar to look at. Okay, so now I can change the title font. I think I want to make it a little bit bigger, make it bold, bump it up to about 20 pixels, and then I'm going to use around the same orange color, but I'm going to make it a little bit darker so it's a little easier to read. I can also change the letter spacing, stretch out the letters a little bit, change the line height, and this will just kind of give it a little more space in between the bar and the title. The percentage font I can change if I like. I think I'm just going to make that bold and make it a little bit bigger, about 16 pixels, so it's a little bit easier to read. And then of course I can also change the letter spacing and the line height on that as well. And last but not least, I can also put a border around my element just to make it stand out from the page a little bit more. I think I want to go with, again, a little darker orange there, and then we'll just bump up the width. So now it just pops off the page really nicely. The last thing up here, which I think I skipped over, this border radius. This enables you to round the edges of the items, and I've noticed there's a little bit of clipping here where you can see the background color bleeds through. So I don't know if you want to use this if you're using a border. Again, it's up to you. Play around with it and see what you like, see what looks good to you. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Jimmy Blevins, and I hope you have an awesome day.